Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Word to Claude AI. So first of all, you need to know these things. This feature is only available on desktop. It will not work on web browser. And also, most important thing is that it is not available on Windows. It is only available for Mac OS. So if you are on a Mac, just go on bottom left corner, click on your profile icon. Now click on settings. Okay, here under customize, go to connectors, click on add, browse connectors, and here select Word. Now, as you can see, this extension allows Claude to interact with Microsoft Word on Mac OS, enabling document creation, editing, formatting, and management. Now, as you can see, this is showing not compatible for Windows. So if you are on a Mac, just click on install and your Word will be connected with Claude on Mac. So that's it for the video. Thanks for